Hello everyone. Hello. And once again, my iPad is not working like it is supposed to. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to the stream. And I'm not using my my microphone of that hand free, but I'm using the laptop speakers only, laptop microphone only. Yeah. So we have done day 7, and now we'll proceed to day 8. Before that, I'll check my repository if it is fine. Uh, yeah, advent of code and 2023. Okay, nice. Okay, masters, master branch, and yeah, day 2 and 3, part 1, day 3, day 4, first try. Yes, day 4, first try. Input file added, updated git ignore, and day 3, part 2, day 5, day 6, and day 7. I forgot to put commit and stuff. So yeah. Oh no. Uh, yep. Did it actually had that thing? Like, um, I'm just like, why it's not working though? My iPad is like I need to connect and disconnect again and again. See, it got disconnected again. Okay. So this was the sorting thing that we took the reference for the previous day 7 for sorting. uh and it's day 8 now. Haunted wasteland, and the problem statement is small. Let's hope it is a bit easy. Okay. uh day 8. uh Day 8, haunted wasteland. You're still riding a camel across the desert island when you spot a sandstorm quickly approaching. uh when you turn to warn the elf, she disappears before your eyes. Oh, to be fair, she had just finished warning you about ghosts a few minutes ago. One of the camel's pouches is labeled maps. Sure enough, it's full of documents, your puzzle input about how to navigate the desert. At least you're pretty sure that's what they are. One of the document contains a list of left-right instructions, and the rest of the document seems to describe some kind of network of labeled nodes. It seems like you are meant to use left-right instructions to navigate the network. Perhaps if you have a camel, follow the same instructions, you can escape the haunted wasteland. After examining the map for a bit, two nodes stick out, A, and Z. You feel like A is where you are now, and you have to follow left right instructions until you reach Z. This format defines each node of network individually. For example, right, left. Okay, B is right and left is D. C is right and left is G. Okay, Z has no left or right. D has D, which means it is the ending node, and G. Oh, is the ending node. G is also an ending node. Z is also an ending node. Starting with you need to look up the next element based on the next left right instructions in your input. In this example, start with and go right by choosing right element of C. Okay, then L means to L L uh RL. Yeah. RL is the answer to this thing. Why is my cursor not working? Okay, it's now working. And wait. Yeah, now my voice is coming. Okay, I forgot that I muted myself. I'm really, really sorry. I thought this problem would be easy, and it is if you know how to work with trees. And I don't know how to work with trees. So that's why I need to learn how to work with trees first and then come back and solve this problem. I'm sure you can like solve it without using trees by just making a map with a string and pair of strings and just access it from there. But this thing I don't understand how. Of course, you might not. If you run out of left or right instructions, repeat the whole sequence of instructions as necessary. RL really means RL, and so on. For example, there is an instruction that takes 6 steps to reach easy. Well, left. Okay. Now I understand it. Left and left is BBB, and then left is AAA, and then you got to here AAA, and then you go right BBB, and then you go left. Or no, wait, let's start over. A, you are at A, you go left. You are at B, you go left. You are at A, you go left. Or you go right. You are at B, you go left. You are at A, you go left. You are at B, you go right. Nice. 6 steps. Correct. Let's try to implement this without trees. Like, yeah, I'm sure the solution is not only restricted to trees but also maps. Since it is a map, it is written in question. So why not just use the map? Day 7, day 8. Oh, it's the file. Okay. Day 8. Day 8.cpp. AOC. We got the lines. I really hope that it is a single line. That thing. I really hope it is a single line. Oh, thank God, it is a single line. Or else it would be a trouble to pass this. I would have to search for a space, and until that I needed to, I would have to like merge the string on and on. Okay. Uh, 7/8. Okay. I bet you didn't knew that you could do that in Harpoon. Not the Primogen watchers, but yeah, normal people. Mm. And now that we have got this thing, got lines, uh, uh, string path is lines 0, right? Yep. And now for int I equals to mm, 0, 1, 2 from I equals to 2 till I less than lines dot size plus I. Hmm. what we can do is, now that we have lines on and we need to find equals to, right? Is the first three words always the first three words? String node is the node current node is let's make a struct called node, and it's gonna take uh, value string left string right. Current equals to lines I dot substring 0 to from 0 take three characters from including 0. Nice. And string left equals to lines I dot substring lines I dot find the first opening bracket plus 1 till lines dot find comma, or we can just do 3. Left we split input LV CGMG HQF JXR VPC KMM. Yeah, right, it's correct. Substring dot find plus 2 because there is a space here. Plus 1 plus 2, it's gonna start from here then. Nice. And if we print the right here, FSJ QTN PBJ DGK CRF. Correct. Correct. uh Map or what? This is also correct, but I want something else like a map of uh, string and node. Nodes. Nodes current equals to new node left, and we need to make a constructor node. Hmm. There was some short trick to assign the values of stuff. I forgot how to do that. Oh no, I it was a short trick to like a short syntax or syntax assigning values in C++ constructor constructor. Yeah, initialization list. Oh yeah. Yep. And what else? Nothing like this. Uh, yeah. Oh, okay. This dot val. Okay, I put did this wrong. Uh, left, right. Uh, mm, use of undeclared identifier. Okay, I didn't. Yeah, string right or auto. Comma node in. Uh, see out current node dot left node dot right. Like actually, like we do not need the current thing, right? Yeah, I think it should work, but it's not. Wait, I cannot see any chat messages because my iPad screen was frozen. Yep. I think we need to make a node. Node equals to v till second. Node's current is equals to current node. So what's the problem? In installation of member map string std string a node operator requested here candidate constructor not viable requires one argument but zero were provided. Candidate constructor not available, two arguments for zero were provided. But zero were provided. Let's get rid of the constructor. Current, current node dot left equals to left. Okay, now it's working. Nice. It automatically is sorted, I guess, with the data that first. Hmm. And now we got all these things done. And what we need to do is my cursor has stopped working. Okay. It is a bit laggy because see how many tabs I have opened and like OBS is running, terminal is running. Imagine if I had opened VS Code instead of them. Then, then my laptop's condition would have been like horrible. But anyways, uh, uh, slash QNB QNB QCK, correct. Okay, so for uh, auto direction in path, is it if di see out if dir not equals to l or dir not equals to r see out danger. What? Okay, iPad screen is frozen. What? Danger. What the hell? See out if it is not equals to l or it is not equals to r. So equals to l, then it is gonna be false or true. Well, whatever. Uh, string start equals to AAA. We are gonna start with AA and string end is ZZZ or ZZZ if you want. So if direction equals to left, while that is not equals to end. While start is not equals to end, we are just gonna loop it and loop it. I needed to enclose that in there. While start is not equals to end, if direction equals to left, then mm, start becomes uh, nodes start dot left, right, else, and we need to take an answer like uh, int count equals to 0, and we need to see out count 14429. And let's see, for the sample test case, like this should result in 6. 6. Oh, okay. Actually, are we gonna do it in first try? Are we gonna do it in first try? Okay. 2 is 2. Are we gonna pull this off in first try, guys? Bro, if I pull this in first try, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, first try. If it is first try, okay, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Bro, first try, first try, first tried it, first tried the problem. Get first tried. Oh, oh my god. Oh, oh, nice. First try. I thought I was gonna use trees. And here I'm doing it first try. The sandstorm is, let's do part 2 now. Let's first try it too. The sandstorm is upon you, and you aren't any closer to escaping the wasteland. You had the camel follow the instructions, but you have barely left your starting position. It's going to take significantly more steps to escape. But what if the map isn't for people? What if the map is for ghosts? Are ghosts even bound by the laws of state space-time? Only one way to find out. Okay. After examining the map a bit longer, your attention is drawn to a curious fact. The number of nodes with the same ending in A is equal to the number of is equal to the number ending in Z. The number of nodes with the names ending in A is equal to the number ending in Z. Okay, what does that mean? 11A, 11Z. Okay, 22A, 22Z is also okay. Hmm. And if it is gonna be 69A, then it's gonna be 69Z, right? If you were a ghost, you would probably start at every node that ends with A. If you were a ghost, you'd probably start just you'd probably just start at every node that starts with A, and follow all the paths at the same time until all simultaneously. What? Here, two starting nodes are 11A and 22A because both of them end with A. As you follow each left-right instruction, use that instruction to simultaneously navigate away from both nodes you are currently on. Okay, simultaneously. Then we'll need to make a list of all the nodes that start with A, and then we update that list again and again and again in that same loop. Repeat this process until all of the nodes are currently on end with Z. Nice. If only some of those nodes you are on end with Z, they act like any other node and you'll continue as normal. So 11A should end up on 11Z. It cannot end on 22Z. Is that what they are talking about? Okay. Step 0. You are at 11A and 22A. You choose all of the left paths lead to 11B and 22B. Okay, nice. 11B and 22B. That's nice. Then you lead to the right path 11Z and 22C. Left paths 11B and 22Z. Oh, so it doesn't end here. It doesn't end here. 22Z, Z, 22B, 11B, 22C. In this example, you end up entirely on nodes that end in Z after six steps. Repeat this process until all of the nodes you are currently on end with Z. If only some of the nodes that you are in with Z, they act like any other node and you continue as normal. Nice. But is it necessary to have like 11A should end upon 11Z? Is it necessary? Although it hasn't changed. Okay. Day 8 part 2. Okay, let's do it. I have an idea. How to use regex in C++. Yep. Okay, regular expressions library, match results. Regular expressions object, okay, identifies as a sequence of character matched by a sub expression. Identifies one regular expression match, including all the sub expression matches. Okay, state ready, check if the results are available. Size, check whether the match was successful. Empty. Size returns a number of matches in a fully established result state. Position ret- returns the position of the first character of the particular sub match. Returns the sequence of character for that particular sub match. Attempts to match a regular expression to an entire character sequence. That's what we need, right? str this character traits. What is this? What's that? First, last, match. The match results. Okay, so it will modify that, I guess. Target string as a null terminated C style string. Target string is given as a std basic string. Stud standard. What do you say it? I don't know. Wait, my iPad is again gone. And yeah, regex. Nice, nice. Mm-hmm. A to Z plus slash dot txt star plus A. Then it's gonna be right. Star plus A. I'll just do a basic thing. Uh, First, I'll test it out. Okay. Uh, what have they used? String, right? Yep. Vector string test is gonna have. I'm sorry. Uh, one A, A2, 3, 3, A2, 2A, 1AA, and X A A A A A. Oh, oh, yeah. So what we need to do with these is regex uh, end with a is equals to what? Text regex and with okay, yeah. The regex is right, right. I Yes, it is because it's gonna just see three characters. Uh, dot dot a slash yes. Oh, nope, 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 nope. It's not working like it. I want it to be. Dot dot a regex for ending a regex for checking ending in a character. Start or end of a string. Write sentences pattern the. Oh, okay. Dollar signs means the end, right? So if I do dollar a, it will not work here. A dollar. Uh, yeah, it's not gonna work in this thing, but ending with pattern, right? Starting with something, ending with something. Starting with a sequence of characters which is in this matches ABC. Matches C, matches A, matches ABC. What? MTS. If start is in M, T, or S, or A, E, I, O, U matches start, search for word that start with M, T, or S, then immediately followed by a vowel. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Start and end with. And means dot, dot plus any number of letters in between. Right, correct. And then we have to match. Uh, why didn't I like zoomed it in? I was just like staring like this. I shouldn't do that. I should just zoom it so it should be available, visible for you guys also. I'm really sorry. And then for uh, for const auto and percent test test. I think we cannot t in test. uh, 1. We do not want the match the number. Ravindra Singh, hello, hi, welcome. I'm doing advent of code, by the way, if you do not know. This is a 25-day event starting from 1st December. It lasts till 25th of December, and you have like you are given problems each day, and you have to solve them and submit your answer here. What language is that? That language is C++. Andrian, hello, hi, hello. Well, what we have is let me explain the question. You are given a sequence of left and right. Okay, cool. It is, and you are given a node like this AAA. If you are on position AAA and you go left, then you go to BBB, and if you go right, then you go to CCC. And if you are on BBB and you go right, and you go left, then you go to DDD, or if you go right, you go to EEE. Okay, and just like that, the sequence is given where you have to move left or right. The sequence is given. So first is right, starting with AAA. It is a start point. You have to reach ZZZ, and sequence is given. So first you will go right. Right is CCC, then you are here, and then you go left, and then you go ZZZ, and you have reached. Then in how many steps? In 2 steps. So the answer is 2. But for this, like you are on AAA and you go right, and since both of these are same, you go oh sorry, left, and then you are on BBB, and then you also go left, then you are on AAA, you're back here, and then you go right. Right is BBB, and the sequence is empty. Now, like the sequence, we have exhausted the sequence, then we do that again. Go left, AAA, we are here. Go left, BBB, we are here. Go right, ZZZ. Yes, we have reached ZZZ. And how many steps did it took? It took 6 steps. 6 steps. And for our puzzle input, which was this, a huge sequence of lefts and rights we are given, and a node is given to us a position, and its left and rights are given. And then starting from AAA, we need to reach ZZZ. And it took 14,429 steps, which was a correct answer. And now we are given. Wait. My iPad just got disconnected, so I cannot see your chat. Now this is the part two. In part two, like Your starting position is just not one thing which was AAA back. It is now anything that starts with A. Okay, so 1 1A, 2 2A, these are starting positions. And you need to apply these left and right things to them simultaneously. So you start with 1 1A and 2 2A, and you go left because the starting is left. Then you reach 1 1B and 2 2B respectively, and then you go right, and you go left, and then you go right, and you do that until both of them end with a position that ends in Z, like this. And this is 6 steps, and that's how I'm uh, writing this solution. I'm making a regular expression to check if a string is ending with a and dollar sign means ending. If it is an ending with a, then it's gonna print it out, and I'm just checking if it is working or not. I'm not like too good in regex. I just what too good. You are you are good when you actually know what is regex. I don't even know what that is. I just know regex in Vim, so that doesn't count. Yeah, yeah. And extraction of submatch, like it's some function, and base match, base regex, and base match. How many of you are still in the stream? I want to know. Like me explaining all that. Hello, anyone in the stream? Like, hello, anyone in the stream? Well, two people are watching, so, and thanks to someone who just subscribed. My subscriber went to 65. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Okay. Test, and what is this? Regex match. End with A or T and end with A. And a new line. Oh no, why? 0 0 1 1 1. Hmm. Interesting. What can be the case then? Oh, nice, 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 nice. Nice. A32 is not a form. Uh, it is not of that form. Okay, let's make another case. AA3. AA3 is 0. Nice. Nice. We got our regex. For auto, uh, and what was that? In test, current and node. Okay, it's giving me an error. Cannot determine, cannot decompose private member of std string. Type std string constant decomposes to one element, but two names were provided. Oh, and not in test, but nodes. 11A, 11B 0, 11Z 0, 22A. Okay, everything is working. Hmm. Start. Okay. Detail. Uh, is equals to 1. Then start dot pushback. Start dot push. For what? Start dot pushback. Uh, current. Okay, we got the start string. We got the starting string. List of start. While. Done. Found. Equals to false. While not found. So directions in path. If uh, hmm, or auto ampersand position in start. Oh, start of I. and instead of range based for loop, because that is not uh, that position variable that we made is not passed by value, I guess. But but we are doing it at 10%, so I think it should be fine. Okay, after making count plus plus, we need to check if is z, check if ending in z. Okay, so regex for that is gonna be uh, ending with z, and uh, the position in start regex match. Yep, z count equals to 0, z count plus plus. Yep, after the loop, if z count okay, if z count is equals to uh start dot size found equals to 6. 6, is it correct? It is. After 6 steps, it is correct. Let's try it with this. Bro, I really hope we do this in one try. I really, really hope. Same? Is this the answer is same? You're all, that's not the right answer. Your answer is too low. If you're stuck, make sure you're using full input data. Okay, too low. It's too low. Okay. It, that was the same answer though. Count plus plus. Are we missing something? Oh, why? Why? It's gonna give me segmentation fault. Am I gonna get segmentation fault? Or we actually didn't run this in. Okay, 6, part 2, 6. Oh no, yeah, 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 I need to copy this thing. Let's check this out. It's just running. Keeps increasing the count. Isn't this going too far? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 digits. It's gonna go to 9 digits now. 100 million. 100 million is not correct, I guess. 633940. Let's check this out. It's if it says it's too big. Your answer is too low. So we were, let's give it a try. What is this? The source, guys. Okay, so this is Advent of Code. Uh, it is the event for like where they ask questions each day from December 1 to December 8, and I'm doing day 8, and I'm like, this is the solution for that being in process. This number was like 100 million or something, and I checked that if it is too high or not, and it said to me, your answer is too low for 100 million. Now it has proceeded to 200 million something. Let's see how long it takes to process all of this. Welcome to the stream, by the way. I hope my voice is fine, right? Is my voice fine? Is it too low? Hello, hello. Yeah, the mic volume is just slightly low. Okay, so like I'm using the built-in mic and I do not have a separate one. I used to use this hand-free, but uh, I decided not to because voice in there like is a bit cracky, and I hope this voice is not cracky that much. And it's still going. It's gonna go to like 300 million or something. Well, for the test case, like this was the test case. For that the answer was 6, and I was getting that answer. Like, yeah, I was getting it. And so I really think that this thing right here is also correct. It's just that it's taking too much time to run because the input is too big. uh, what can we even do? Like, all we can do is just wait for it to run and check our solution if we did it in first try or not. Okay, so like I don't have something to talk, so why don't you tell me something like that we can chat on, right? I don't want this to be boring. Well, it has reached 400 million now. Wait, one, two, three, four. Wait, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Oh, oh, bro, it just lagged for a minute, and I thought it was just like that was the answer. Well, you see, this I have a infinite loop. I'm not sure if that's the problem. This was working for the sample test case, so I don't think it will break. It's just that the running time is just too long. Imagine this much running time on lead code. They give you like 2 3 seconds. Not even that sometimes. Uh, are you there on the stream though? I think you have left. Oh, yeah, you have. There's only one viewer, which is my phone. Okay. Oh, so there is another viewer. Welcome. And I don't mind if you chat with me a bit because my code is running and it's taking too much time. Please don't leave. I need some watch time, please. Mm-hmm. I don't think I'm grabbing people's attention. Everyone is coming and going. Well, hmm. In the meantime, like you guys can go and watch this video. Yeah, this is the first video on my channel which is coding related. This was just me 2 years ago playing Minecraft. So yeah, and also this is a short that I put here, and everything else is just me live streaming. Okay, it's still going. It is still going. Hmm. 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 Is it gonna go to like 1 billion or something? But can I just peek on the answer a bit? Like I'm not sure if this thing is working. 700 million it is. Be sure I'm not gonna see the code, but the answer will let me see on this only. AOC day 7 day 8 or day 9. It's day 9 or day 8. Okay, it's day 8. Uh, answer. Hmm. Oh, I don't want to see that regex, but Numerical answer should I write? Uh, oh, 100 million. Oh no, this is gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while because thousand million, 10 million, 100 million. It's gonna take 100 billions and a billion, 100 billions, trillion. It's 10 trillion. The answer is like 10 trillion. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, right? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. No, it's 100 million, 800 million. And it took us quite a long time to reach there. What we can do is just pause it if it has reached 11Z, isn't it? Shouldn't we pause it? But still we are doing count plus plus like that. Uh, where is that? Where is that? Still we are doing count plus plus like that. So it is not gonna affect us in any good way. Since if you pause it, then like the next thing is gonna be we pause it right here and it becomes this. It's 3, but it's not 3. After one steps on the second step. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know how would I do this though. What is it? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay, so we are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. A million counts per second. This was the answer to that. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 106. Let me calculate the time that it's gonna take. 10668 805 667 831 831. And what are we at? Minus 111. Let's take 112 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 6 zeros 7 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we are at 4 5, and I'm gonna divide that by 1 million. It's gonna take this much seconds, and divided by 60, this much minutes. It's gonna take 2900 hours. It's gonna take 123 days to do it. Like what, bro? Okay. This is gonna take like 123 days to complete. And I am not like this much of an idiot to just sit here and wait for 123 days. So, we are gonna think of something else. My laptop is heated. Nice. Let's think of something else. What can we do about that? Hmm. How to do this though? I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Are we gonna make a tree or something? Like actually. Hmm. No idea. No idea. Literally no idea. I literally have no idea how will I do this. Actually. How will I do this? Hmm. Hmm. Can't think of something. I cannot think of something. Well, that's it for today, guys. Then I don't want to waste my time, and I'll like get back to this problem uh tomorrow. Tomorrow, because like I need a change of perspective. All I can think of is the like this is the only way I can do. There's nothing else, and this is perfect. All I can think of is this. So I need a change of perspective, and that cannot happen just instantly, but it takes time. So I'll continue this tomorrow. Well, uh, see you in the next stream. Till then, goodbye and like and subscribe. Bye.